This fully renovated home is located at 623 Marswin Drive in East Nashville. If you want your own showing of this wonderful home, it is off market, so you need to get in touch with us. Send me a message at landhunterstn.com for more information, and I would love to show you this home.
Now I sit on mountaintop, a lonely paradise, where black tie friends see our disaster and celebrating rise. You know I never got a chance to tell your mother that I'm sorry. I can't look at the letters signed Love Tommy.
As you can see so far, everything is brand new. The paint on the home, the storm door, the front door, the landscaping, and let's check out the inside.
Now I sit on mountaintop alone.
So this ranch home is situated on almost half an acre in the desired Inglewood, East Nashville neighborhood. It's called Gra-Mar Acres. And it spans about 1,475 square feet inside the home. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. If you look on any old records, it's going to say it's 1 bath, but it is now a 2 full bath. And of course, like I said, the property has been fully remodeled, including updated wiring, plumbing, tankless water heater, new gas stove, smart appliances. Additionally, there is a 2-car detached garage, and it is a total of 750 square feet, fully insulated with drywall and wired with 220 plugs. That means you can hook up a hot tub on that huge back patio. You can hook up a welder machine, all kinds of stuff back there. As you can see, got the quartz countertops. Even the floor in the kitchen, when they removed all the flooring, they found the original hardwood floor. It's gorgeous. All that hardwood flooring has been refinished. It's so beautiful. It's like a smoky color, and it's very durable. I love that view going out from the kitchen. And that deck is so huge, you'd have room for all kinds of entertaining. You can put your hot tub there. There used to be actually a hot tub there on that deck. Now this space, this is a huge laundry room, matching quartz countertops. Okay, and there's the new bathroom addition that's been installed in there. It's so beautiful. Such a good job. The craftsmanship of this home, the full renovation, the cabinets going up to the ceiling is just beautiful. I can't wait to show you this in person. And this space, you can use it for a dining area, entertaining, because those French doors lead right out to this fantastic back patio. And of course, I want to show off the fridge real quick. It's an epic fridge. Look at that. You have your purified water right there in a pitcher already. Okay, enough of my fridge fetish. Let's move on. Let's go to the back patio. I can't wait to show you this backyard. Back patio has been fully renovated. It's very strong. The fencing's all updated, and it leads right to that wonderful private backyard and that huge garage. You have a lot of space for your toys, like your RV, multiple cars. There's a riding lawnmower, which you're going to need that for this space. There's tons of more details on this home, like we can talk about the age of the roof and the HVAC and all that. Just send me a message and I would love to talk about it with you, or we can talk about it in person at the property. It is competitively priced. And it is, like I said, almost a half-acre lot. So this is a wonderful investment. And if you are not pre-approved for a home loan, there are all kinds of different financing options, and we can help you with that too. We are a one-stop shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of beautiful homes and a lot of lifestyle videos about Middle Tennessee. Again, my name is Gazelle Westermeyer with a Live and Invest Group, LPT Realty, Nashville, and I look forward to meeting you at this property. Send us a message at landhunterstn.com.